Good day everyone, I am Justine Buhat and I am the audio manager.
And I'm Deling Edgie. I'm also the graphics designer.
And I am John Francis Garapan. I am the background and props designer.
I'm Ben Lakin and I am the scriptwriter and game tester of the game.
And I'm Christian Jolo Santillan, the programmer of the game. So we'll be presenting our game. We are group 1 gamers or 5 gamers. This is our game, Reign of the Slime Monarch. So as instructed by our professor, we'll have 5 buttons in our main menu. So these are start, leaderboard, help, about, and exit. So we'll start by showing you the help and about. We'll show the leaderboard later on when we start the game. So this is our help menu. This is the controls of the game. So move left is the key A. Move right D. To jump, space, attack, left mouse button. Then for our about, this is the about the developers. So we have 5 members. First is Justine Buhat, which is the audio manager. Edgie the sprites designer. Jhon Francis Garapan, our background and props designer. Ben Lakin, scriptwriter and game tester, and me, Christian Jolo Santillan, as the programmer of the game. So now we'll start by showing you our gameplay. So by pressing start, we'll go to the intro story of our game.
For centuries, the land prospered under
So
the
this is the story of our game, and you can choose to skip it if you're not interested in the story part of our game.
Monarch was reawakened with a legion.
So you can just press the left mouse button to skip the dialogues, and after the dialogues you'll be transported to the lobby level of our game. So this is to familiarize your movements and your attacks. So to start the level, you just need to go to this area, which is an area 2D, and you'll be transported to the start of the game. So your goal is to gain the highest score in the game. So for you to have the top score in the leaderboards, you have to beat the top players. So you defeat slimes, and each slime will have an equivalent point that will be added to your score. So this is the second wave, and as we progress, we'll have more waves and more enemies to defeat. So if you died in the game, you'll be transported to this menu, which is a player name dialog box. You enter your name here, so let's say CJ, and submit. So that will be recorded in our leaderboard here. So that's our score earlier, and we got to the third wave. And let's start another game to just to show you that our leaderboard works.
There is
So if I get a lower score here, I'll be at the second spot in the leaderboard, and if I got the higher score, I'll be at the top scorer of the leaderboard. So we got 1,700 points. So that will put us to the second place in the leaderboard. So let's say Jolo here. So as you can see, the leaderboard works as it should be, and that will be our score-based system in the game, and that's how we'll reward our players in the coming exhibit. So as last part of our sample gameplay, we'll just have to test the exit, and once that's done, and that's all for our game.